Get the
oh
thing in
shit!
there. That's cool, man.
Nice.
Fuck, you look like you got a softer seat too.
Hell yeah.
What model year is this?
It's the same as Tony's, the 636.
She's pretty. What do we got? Yoshimura exhaust on here?
Sir.
Yes, we do.
I just need to fix that fucking little ticking sound and just beat.
Oh, stimmy check activated.
Maybe get your license plate out farther. They're not gonna like that.
Oh,
yeah.
it even has the frame sliders. We'll start her up. Let's hear her exhaust. Let's hear this baby. Good Lord.
Just that little ticking, they're gonna fix that on Wednesday.
Nice, dude. He's even got the OES frame sliders, my favorites. Oh.
Yeah, buddy. You got that gold one. We were looking at. You said you look like
This looks nice.
Yeah, how much?
5.
Alright.
That's not bad at all.
What do you got for miles?
20, like 25.
Oh yeah, that's. Put your helmet over there. That's the thing I was talking about.
Quick release.
Yeah, these are the track quick release, but right there.
Yeah, that's what I told him. That's what you wanted.
That's what I want.
You like the gold,
yeah,
too.
I would have, but then the key.
Yeah. Then you gotta have 2 keys for.
I had to have your key and my key.
Nice, dude. Oh, you got the 636.
There's
Yeah.
battery charger too down here.
What year is this one?
06.
What year is yours?
08.
08?
Yeah. Okay. So then they must have, cause
Looks like they might have dropped it a little.
see your pipe was supposed to come out
It's not
right
bad
here,
though.
but they fashioned it to come out under the tail. So that's
Yeah.
not how that's not OEM the way they have it right there. That's not, it shouldn't be anyways.
Next one.
It does, it does.
Brother.
Sounds good
He's
too.
like, I don't want to copy you. I was like, nah, man, copy me. I'll be flattered.
Hell yeah. Beautiful.
It's a nice.
Tangled hair and shake the wind.
That's nice.
Bleed the oil.
Alright, so what are we doing today?
So today we're going to be working on my brake lines for my 2008 ZX-6R.
Okay.
And we're also going to be changing the brake pads.
Brake pads, brake lines, beers, and
So like
burgers.
with rubber, like tires, hoses, after so many years they expand and shrink and crack. So there could be a lot of play when you go to brake, which I've been noticing. It takes about another 40 to 50 feet to stop, and so it feels pretty spongy. So I got braided cable lines over there that I ordered from eBay.
Let's get a look at those.
These are the CORE MOTO brake lines. And I got mine off eBay, but you can go on their site and they have a lot of bikes on there for different years, different models. And if they don't have yours, you can order the size that you need with the angle that you need.
Perfect.
In different colors. You can also customize your ends here, your ends, and then your logo.
Nice. Alright.
So these are steel braided cables wrapped in high grade silicone high heat.
Very nice.
And then here I got my, we're gonna have brake clean there, chain lube. And then here, for my setup, it takes 4 for the one side in the front of the rotor, and then 4 for the other side. So we got 8 total just for the front, and then 1 for the rear caliper.
Very nice.
So 10. And then right now we're going to be siphoning out the brake oil so we don't spill oil
Where'd
all
you pick
over.
up that siphon pump at?
So you can get these at Walmart or AutoZone, O'Reilly's, any typical auto store. They're going to have them. This one cost me $6. They have battery powered ones.
Oh, we got another bike. Everybody's riding today.
So they have battery powered ones, and then they have some.
Did he just do that?
Yeah.
He just did that shit to ride by.
You can get some that you can hook up to an air nozzle, but this one's going to take us a little bit of time, so we'll get back to you here in a little bit.
Alright, we're going to siphon those brakes.
You see here, kid? You gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what came before. Just down, bend your knees, take a deep breath,
What is that?
and jump.
So what were we talking about?
And you might
What did we
think,
do today?
We did barbecues, and we did brakes, brake lines. Let's turn that light in there. Let's get a look at it.
So there's the braided brake line right there.
Here, turn it down a little bit. Sorry. There we go. Gorgeous.
And we did the brake pads as well. So with the brake line was 160 for the 3, and then the brake pads were 40.
Very nice.
And $10 for the fluid.
What? Where did you get these brake lines from? CORE MOTO.
CORE MOTO off of eBay. The seller actually has an eBay link on there.
Very high.
So you can custom make yours if they don't have what you're looking for.
We did flush the brake fluid out of this. Brand new bike here.
So like on this 636 here, if you wanted to do blue with gold tips, he can custom make that on their site.
That brake fluid was dirty as piss.
They're like vegetable oil, isn't it?
Yeah, actually that was exactly what it looked like, vegetable oil. Man, I didn't notice how many of the screws he did in gold, too.
Your bike, how many miles have you put on it today? Just to get home?
Yeah.
So 30 miles?
We lubed the chains.
It's 40. I got lost.
Yeah.
How many
Detour.
miles are on that one?
27.
27? Okay, that's not bad.
Half the life left.
Yeah, but you know me, I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna buy a new motor for it. All right.
Well, I'm already looking at motors for mine. So if I get a new crate motor for mine, it's I think it's $1,600.
That's not bad.
But then if I buy one that used off of a bike for a couple years old or whatever, it's like $1,000.
Yeah.
And then so when I was looking up engines for these bikes, they go from I believe 05 to 2012. So even though they're 3 different generations, you can still put the engine on there.
Very nice.
You just have, there's a wire on there that you have to reroute and change the computer.
Oh, ride's here.
How much letters here?
Sweater's here.
Yeah, I'm gonna put these girls to the test someday.
Oh.
I'll have to get that thing fixed.
So yeah, so earlier in the video when we first started, I talked about the brake being spongy. So what I mean by that is when you go to apply the brakes, instead of the full power going to the caliper, it sometimes gives the pressure to the rubber hose, and so you lose stopping power.
Having that braided line in there.
So braided line is going to last you a long time, and you're not going to have that spongy play.
Yes. And it looks
Yeah.
good. CORE MOTO. Check it out.